You may have seen photo editing tutorials using generative fill in Photoshop like these. But don't you have Photoshop software? Or don't you have a computer? Do not be sad. Today I will teach you how to use generative fill on your phone like in Photoshop. So let's talk while watching the video. First, open the web browser on your phone and then search for Adobe Firefly in the search bar. Click on the link shown first. Now you can see an interface like this. When you scroll down, you can see something like this. Click on it. You can see 3 dots at the top corner and press once on it. Now you can see a list like this. From here, put a tick on desktop site. Now you can see an option at the top as upload photo. Click on it. Now select the photo you want to edit. I want to change the outfit in this photo and add an office outfit. So I brush the part that needs to change like this. After brushing, a small box can be seen below. Type in what you want to do and generate it. Now you can see different photos are generated. Choose your favorite from here. I want to add a watch, so, as before, I generate a watch. I choose a watch that I like here. I changed the hair in this photo. For that, the hair part is brushed and generated in the same way as before. I also add sunglasses in the same way. So you can add anything to your photo in this way, just like in Photoshop. So if the video was useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in a new video.